Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make XPublic easy method. Open your project settings, locate visibility, and select public to publish immediately. Make sure you review privacy options and remove any sensitive data before confirming. After switching to public, test access from another account or an incognito window to verify visibility. If you need to revert, use the same settings to change visibility back to private and notify collaborators. When preparing to make XPublic, first scan your files for personal details and remove any sensitive info that should stay private. Next, adjust permissions so only trusted collaborators can edit while others view. Check linked services, embedded keys, and third-party integrations for accidental exposure. Finally, document what you made public and why, so collaborators understand the scope and can help monitor for issues. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep files of lunches tidy while you work, perfect for busy creators who need neat meals on the go. They save time, prevent spills, and fit in backpacks conveniently. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After switching to public, always validate visibility by using an incognito window and checking that content appears as intended. Ask a colleague outside your organization to confirm they can access the content without special permissions. Monitor access logs and notifications for unusual activity in the hours after publishing. If you spot issues, revert to private immediately, fix the problem, and reapply public status when it's safe to do so.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.